Welcome to part 8 of Virtual Football League app with Blazor WebAssembly. In part 8, I will be customizing register application users page. So I'm back to Radzen. I'm going to open add application users page. First of all, I'm going to copy controls from first name column till I get to photo column. So how do I copy the controls? First of all, I'll click on a control in first name column. Then I go to outline. Then I hold my shift key. Then I'll click on the last control in photo column. Then I'll right click here and I'll click on copy. Now after copying the controls, I will search for register application user. This is the page. I'll go to outline. I'm already in outline. I'll right click on from 0. Then I'll paste the controls. Then I'm going to relocate the buttons cuts. Then I'll right click on from 0 again. I'll paste. So this way, this is how the register page now looks like. Register application users page now look like. Email is required. Okay, that's already added. I go to toolbox. I'm going to search for validator. We have email validator as one of the validators. I'll drag it here. I go to outline. Oh, where is the email validator? It appears it's not there. Okay, drop after required validator. Good. Now I'll go to properties. The component I'm going to validate will be email. What's the component here? Okay, this component is username. So the component I'm going to validate is username. And the text message will be please enter valid email. Then I'm going to drag compare validator. Drag compare validator. Drop it there. Okay, good. Then properties. Component for this is confirm password. The value for this will be password. I will leave the operator as equal. The text will be the passwords you entered. do not match. Okay. How come I'm having two passwords? Okay. Password, confirm password. Okay. All right. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'll go to events. I'll go to outline. I'll look at from 0. Does from 0 have any event attached to it? No. Even the click button does not have any event attached to it. At this point, I'm going to build my app by clicking on run. Says code generation done. I'll click on stop. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'll go back to Visual Studio. So I'm back in Visual Studio. I'll go to Solution Explorer. I'll go to the client project. So this is register application user. Okay, the form submits to an endpoint. That's the register endpoint on account controller. So what I'm going to do, see, I have account controller. So I'm looking for the register endpoint. This is the register endpoint. I'm going to create I'm going to modify this register endpoint. I'm going to take in first name, last name, WhatsApp number and photo as well. So string, first name, comma, string, last name, comma, string, WhatsApp number, string photo. I'm going to save this. I'll right click on account controller. I'll copy full path. I'll go to settings. I'll add that path to my code generation ignore list. I will clean everything from the back of /server. I'll click save. Now at this point, I'll go back to data. I'll double click on data. I'll click on inverse schema. And this time around, I want to include all the tables in my app. All the tables come. There are some tables that are not here. Click on cancel first. Go to my application, security, default, auto generate. Okay, save. So let me go back to data. Okay, I'm going to say include. Before I click on the first schema, I'll click on include ASP.NET tables. So it's in Faris schema now. I've included the ASP.NET tables. So if I expand now, you can see the following tables. I'm going to include them. All the tables in my app, including the security tables. So I click on finish. I'll go to my applications, click on it, click on run. Code generation done. I click on stop. Now I'm back to this method.
Mom.
So the application user is equal to the application user, username is equal to username, email is equal to username, comma, first name equals first name, last name equals last name, WhatsApp number equals WhatsApp number photo equals photo. Now, first thing first, I'm going to register data context in account controller. So this controller, the constructor will take in an additional parameter, which is data context. Okay. Then inside the controller, I'm going to say this dot context is equal to context. Let me see. Let me make this underscore context. Oh, let me make it context 1. Okay, so it becomes context 1. Name context does not exist. Okay. Okay. So no issues now. Okay. I'll look for the register method again. It's the register method. So if user creation is succeeded, here what this implies is that user creation is successful. So if it's successful, var newly created user is equal to context1 dot ASP.NET users dot first or default P goes into P, username equals username. Now, if newly created user is not equal to null, if newly created user is not equal to null, newly created user dot first name equals user dot first name newly created user dot last name equals to user. Oga, please lower your stuff or use earpiece. Newly created user dot last name is equal to user dot last name. Newly created user dot WhatsApp number is equal to WhatsApp number. Newly created photo user dot photo is equal to photo. Any other property that I've missed? Let's check. Let's check on register application user page. Okay. var user row is equal to okay. Context1 dot okay, I will say okay, var user row is equal to context1 dot rows, ASP.NET rows dot first or default P goes into P such that P dot name equals, I'm going to declare a variable here, var default row equals application constants dot default row, default underscore row. Okay, let me say string instead of using that. So string default row. Now it complains that it cannot see this class. So generate class application constants in new file. Then also I'll go to quick actions and factorings, generate field default row. So let me go to pick definition for that default row. So public constant equals, so what would be the default row? Let's check from SQL Server. The default row will be user, so it's equal to user. Right click on this my class. Let me make the class public. Copy full path. I will also add it to my code generation ignore settings. Click save. So now I'm back to account controller again. So I'm going to say var okay, I don't need to save var here. So I'll just complete the statement I have on line 101, which is var user row is called context.asp.net rows.first.default p.name is equal to default row. So if user role is not equal to null, context1 dot ASP.NET user roles dot add new ASP.NET user role role ID equals user role dot ID, comma user ID equals newly created user dot ID, semicolon. Now at the end of the whole stuff, we are going to say await context1 dot save changes async. And that's that. Now I'll click on run in Radzen. So the app has started. I click on sign up. Email is coach@gunnersfc.com. Password is password_1. Password is password_1. First name is Gunners. Last name is Coach. WhatsApp number who is the freaking Gunners coach? I'm the one. But register. Let's see. So it says authorizing. So I'm registered, and after registering, I'm automatically logged in. Let's check the database. Let's query ASP.NET. Let's query ASP.NET users table. Didn't register. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, here it is. It's actually registered. So I have coach at Gunners FC registered. Thank you for watching.